Sanitary sewer systems throughout the world have a very serious problem. It's called sulfide corrosion, caused by bacteria that produces sulfuric acid, which dissolves concrete. It doesn't take long for pipe and manholes to be damaged, but a concrete additive called ConShield provides protection against these nasty bacteria and saves money at the same time. Here to explain is Bill Shook, president of ConShield Technologies. Thanks for joining us, Bill.
Thanks, Jackie. It's a pleasure to be here.
The destruction caused by these bacteria is really amazing, isn't it? I mean, how bad is it?
It's really bad. As a matter of fact, the corrosion that takes place is rated as the primary reason why concrete pipe and manholes fail around the world. Well, as a matter of fact, because of the conditions in warm, flat areas, they tend to corrode quicker than any other place because conditions are right for it. So early on, we came down to Miami and did tests with them. As a matter of fact, we replaced a manhole that had been deteriorating in as short as 3 years.
3 years was all it took for the thing to have deteriorated. That one manhole, though, was then replaced with one treated by ConShield. And what has the result been since then in Miami and elsewhere?
Well, that manhole was replaced in August of 2001. 8 years later, it still looks like new. We've experienced the same type of results all over the world. As a matter of fact, we've grown based upon that example and those situations, and that happens everywhere. So we have done tests and manholes and installations now all over the world.
I can see why you call it biotech armor for concrete. For more on this, let's go to this 21st Century Business field report.
ConShield provides the solution for concrete sanitary sewers. It is the best long-term protection against microbiologically induced corrosion.
We believe that it will last at least 75 years, and there's actually been independent reviews that have indicated that it will last over 100 years.
ConShield is not a surface treatment. It cannot chip, peel, disbond, delaminate, or wash off.
If any chipping takes place or cracking takes place, that the effectiveness of the product is not reduced.
ConShield treated concrete pipe and manholes are easier for the contractors to install.
It applies to both new products that's going to be installed underground as well as to the renewal of existing products.
ConShield is helping cities get more work done for less money. For 21st Century Business, I'm Steve Michaels reporting.
Where do you see ConShield a few years from now? Do you see it more widespread in use than it is now?
Engineers and cities that have reviewed our information, it's a growing list now of people that have approved the ConShield product. You know, we've been around for 12 years doing this. It's a matter of just getting the word out to the engineers. But once they see that the product lasts, and lasts long term, it's been easy then to bring them on board to start specifying it.
Well, it is clear that your biotech armor offers real protection for concrete and a real cost savings as well. Thank you so much for joining us, Bill, and explaining all this.
Well, thanks, Jackie. I appreciate it.